Slay. My Virgo rising is quaking right now. I love the organization. Just pop that sucker in your suitcase and you're good to go. Hello friends, welcome back to the Chanel. It's Leilani. So I know what you're all wondering. What is this mysterious little suitcase peeking out, you may ask? So I'm actually heading out to a really big trip tomorrow morning. I have to be out of here by like 5 a.m. And last time I went on a big trip, I had you guys guess in the comments where I was going. So I want to do that again to see if you guys get it right. I'm actually filming a whole video prepping for the trip and I'll announce in that video where I'm going. But if you're impatient, just go over to my Instagram because by the time you see this, I'm definitely already going to be in my destination. I will be uploading on my stories pretty much every day. So if you want a sneak peek, peep my Insta. So ever since the travel restrictions started easing up a little bit last year, I feel like we all got the travel bug. I definitely did. And after a few of my trips, I started to note which items I think I needed and will just make traveling a lot easier. So I've accumulated a few products that are now my travel must-haves. And I found all of these items on Amazon, so super accessible. And of course, I'll be linking everything in the description. And also before we get started, I know I'm gonna get so many questions about these earrings that I'm wearing. These beauties are made by my best friend Kristen. She makes the best handmade jewelry. Pretty much anytime you see me wearing really fun clay jewelry, it's probably made by Kristen, so I'll have her link down below as well. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the list of my Amazon travel must-haves. All right, so the first item that I have here looks like a standard curling iron, but this is actually a 2-in-1 straightener and curler. So it has this little switch here. So right now it's on curl, but if we switch it down to straightener, look at that, huh? Sorry, I woke up at 5 a.m. today because I'm an anxious baby. Traveling always stresses me out, so sorry if I'm like extra weird in this video. But isn't this an amazing invention? It is such a space saver. I no longer have to bring both straighteners and curlers. It's a 2-in-1. It's really slender, can easily go in your suitcase. I actually curled my hair with this today, so I don't know, maybe it's not necessary for everyone, especially if you don't heat style your hair, but for the girlies that do, this is amazing. So this next item I've been seeing all over social media because it lights up. This is just one of the settings. They have 3 different ones. Here's a warm light and then a natural light. And if you just hold it down, you can adjust the lighting so it'll go dimmer or you can brighten it up again. I also love that it stays at any angle you push it back to. You could push it 90 degrees or even further back. And this is it side by side with my face. It's a really good size mirror and it's just foldable, completely flat. It's just perfect for travel. It's super slim and compact, very portable. But sometimes when I'm in Airbnbs or certain hotels, I feel like I can't really rely on the bathroom mirror. So this is a great option, especially if you're traveling with friends and a lot of people are getting ready at the same time. I also love that it doesn't require batteries. It just has a little charging port in the back and you're good to go. And this trip I'm going with my sister, so we don't have to fight over the mirror. I got a perfectly good one right here, baby. And for my next travel must-have, you must be wondering what this adorable little teddy bear creature is. The little bear design is to die for. So this is actually a 3-in-1 device. So in the back, you could see these charging ports. So this is actually a portable charger. It is also a flashlight. It's actually really bright too. I mean, I know we have flashlights on our phones, so it's not necessary, but you know, in case of emergency, good to have. And then we just pull this little guy out and voila, it is a little fan and it has 2 settings. Slay. So this is such a nifty device to have while traveling. I also like that you can bend it down like this, have the fan on the table pointed at you. They also had quite a few different color options, but of course I went for the baby pink. And this is my next must-have. I'm actually pretty late to the game for this. This is like an electronics organizer. So it has 2 different organizers, and these little pockets are perfect for carrying all of my chargers and cords. I even shoved my massive hard drive in here. This is for my Demon Slayer fans out there, ayo. So it has a really wide pouch and a netted pouch on this side. I saw that all of my friends had this and I thought it was genius for traveling. I don't know why it took me so long to get one of these, especially as a content creator. I definitely needed this. I feel like we all have so many devices now. It's really hard to keep track of all your different charging wires, so it's really nice to have it all organized in this cute little compact pouch. They also had a couple different colors of these as well. This next item is my new baby. It's this soft quilted dusty pink pouch and it opens up envelope style. This is a jewelry organizer. After one of my bigger trips, I just realized that I desperately needed one of these, and I've always been seeing like the jewelry box organizers, but they just take up too much space in my opinion. So when I saw this flat fold down kind, like look at this, just pop that sucker in your suitcase and you're good to go, and your jewelry is nice and protected. And they have compartments for literally all of your jewelry. You could put your studded earrings on here. I also love that you could put your rings on this little thing. And if I flip it to this side, you also see that this is a necklace hanger. You could tuck it away into these little pouches, keep them nice and protected. So having all of my jewelry in one spot in this nice compact little envelope style organizer has just changed my suitcase packing experience. This is fantastic. And up next I have this travel makeup bag. Amazon has a lot of really great options. I just went for the simplest one and I'm really glad because even this is ginormous. Like this fits so much makeup. So when we open it up, it has these organizers for your makeup brushes and has this plastic shield to protect them. And this little divider is actually a detachable separate makeup pouch. It attaches by Velcro, which I love. Love the extra organization. And inside, oops, maybe it might not look it on camera, but I have so many products in here with so much extra space. Like if I wanted to, I could probably bring my whole makeup collection. This fits so much stuff. Also love that it comes with a little handle, and at least when I bought this, this was under $10. And of course I went with the baby pink, but they also had green and baby blue. And here I have another travel organizer, but this is for my toiletries. This one also has a top handle, and then when it opens up, I love these toiletry bags that come with the little hooks so you can hang it up in your bathroom, clear the counter space a little bit. And my dudes, this organizer is cray. Inside it has these little straps so you could put full-size skincare items that will not move around. Like these are not travel size, these are full-size products and they fit perfectly in here. And this is pouch galore, babes. They have a pouch in the front, a midsection pouch, and a clear pouch in the tippity top. My Virgo rising is quaking right now. I love the organization. I cannot travel without this anymore. I absolutely love it. And for this next item, I was actually going to order this on Amazon until my dad told me that he had a couple. This is just a simple laundry net to throw your dirty clothes in while traveling. I just like to keep all the dirty clothes separated so I could put it in this bag. I forget these every single time, and I always try to make a mental note that I need to have some sort of laundry bag whenever I travel, because you're obviously going through clothes every day, and at the end of the trip, I just hate mixing my dirty clothes in my suitcase. This one is a mesh one, so it is still a little bit breathable. If you're not into that, they have all different kinds on Amazon. Also has this drawstring, and the Airbnbs that I'm going to be staying in do have a laundry machine, thank God. So this is going to be very, very useful. And last and certainly not least is a toothbrush holder. Mine is particularly cute because it has My Melody all over it. I actually got this one from Daiso, but they have a ton of options for toothbrush holders on Amazon. They even have some that are big enough to carry a little toothpaste and your toothbrush. I used to just travel with my toothbrush in a plastic bag, but that was getting a little bit wasteful, so it's really nice to have a case. I've been using this on every single trip since I've gotten it. It's lasted me so long, and I always just pop this in my carry-on backpack because I need to brush my teeth when I'm on the plane, especially on long flights. I feel like I just get a really dry mouth. It's kind of nasty. So that was gross, but on that note, we're finished. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful, or hopefully give you some inspiration on what kind of items you could use for organization to just make your travel a lot easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and look out for the next one because I will be revealing where I'm going off to. Remember to leave your guesses down below. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video, and until next time, bye-bye.